This sketch illustrates a coverage map of the National Electrical Code (NEC) framework, breaking down the electrical distribution and protection requirements that align with NEC standards. It outlines the following key areas. Utility service. NEC requirements start from the utility service point, detailing how electrical service should enter the premises. The demarcation point is highlighted, marking where the utility's responsibility ends, and NEC requirements for the customer begin. Service entrance. According to NEC standards, the service entrance, including conductors and panels, must adhere to specific guidelines regarding circuit breakers, panel placement, and accessibility. NEC provisions for grounding and bonding ensure the system is safe and reduces risks of electrical shock. Distribution panels and circuit protection. The NEC mandates the use of distribution panels, each with circuit breakers or fuses to manage and protect various branch circuits. The types of panels and breakers shown here align with NEC rules for overcurrent protection. Branch circuits. The NEC categorizes circuits based on their load and function, such as individual equipment circuits for appliances like ranges and dryers, general-purpose circuits for lights and outlets, small appliance circuits for items like microwaves and refrigerators. These branch circuits must comply with NEC standards regarding amperage ratings and specific appliance connections. Motor circuits. NEC outlines separate requirements for motor circuits, often with dedicated protections due to the high starting current motors can draw. Overall, this coverage map serves as a guide to NEC compliance for residential or commercial electrical systems, helping ensure safety, efficiency, and proper categorization of electrical components and circuits.